it's me, Terri, of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1 of the year 2021. So, it's that time of year again. I cannot believe it's been a whole year since we did Vlogmas. Just seems like I just finished Vlogmas a couple of months ago. But here we are again. So, for this Vlogmas, for this year, I am partnering with Valerie of Valerie's Cuddly Cat Crochet, and we are doing a swap with each other. So that will be part of my Vlogmas episode, where I will open a little package every day that Valerie has sent to me, and I made up a box for her and sent it, and she's already got it and ready for her to start opening her packages that I sent to her today as well in her video. So I will link Valerie's channel in the description box below, so that way you can follow along, both of us along, and see what we give each other for each day. Okay, so another thing that we're doing during this these swap packages on Tuesday, let me get it right, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, so tomorrow will be the first one. So Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays through Vlogmas, there's going to be a special package that is going to be what we're calling a challenge kit. And so what we're going to do is, we both like to donate, Valerie and I both like to donate to the Garfield Make-Along each year that will be going to Amber of Ooh Ah Crochet. She hosts it. It is a make-along, charity make-along that we make items for children, elementary age children. It's for the elementary school that her children attends, okay? And it's just like little gifts, things that the school uses as rewards. Also like hats and scarves and things, but usually what I make is backpack buddies and bookmarks and things like that that can be given to the children as rewards, or for perfect attendance or good behavior, or something, however they use them. And so we decided that for this challenge kit that we would include a kit that would have yarn and like a small amount of yarn, and then one accessory, or at least that's how I did my packages. And then we are free to add yarn to that project, to that yarn that's given to us, and we're going to create something that we will be eventually donating to the Garfield Make-Along in the upcoming year. Okay, so that is what the challenge kits are going to be. So I think it's going to be fun, because we're just going to take that color, whatever is in that package, and then think of something that we can make to donate. So I think that's going to be really fun. And so the other days are just going to be little gift items that we have picked up for each other, just happy mail, or happy items. So I hope you follow along with us and see what we get each day. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that. Also, I'm going to be doing, as part of my Vlogmas, I'm going to be watching a Christmas movie every day, because I really enjoyed doing that last year. I found a few that I had never seen before, and I'm hoping to do that this year as well. Of course, there are some classics that I just have to watch, because it's tradition that I have to watch them. But besides that, I hope to find some new favorites as well. So I hope that you will maybe get some ideas for some of the movies I watch. I know last year I had a few of my viewers follow along with me, and to watch the movies that I had suggested that I'm going to be watching. They watched it too, so that's fun. So so that's going to be part of my Vlogmas as well. And while I'm watching the movie, I'm going to be making a blanket, okay? And the blanket I'm going to be doing, because I have kind of been moving things around here in my craft room, or straightening things up, and I've discovered that I've got lots of small balls of small scrap balls of yarn, and so I want to cut down on that amount that I've got. And so the best way that I know to do that is to make a blanket. And so what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be doing a blanket that I did a crochet along, and I have in tutorials showing how I do it, and I will link both of those, the playlists to the tutorials, both left and right-handed versions, in the description box below. So that way, if you want to make this project with me, then you can and come along with me while I do it. And so I really like this project. This will be the third lap. It's like a lap band size, and so this will be the third one that I have made. So I'll pop in a picture right here of one. I think this one that I'm showing you, this picture, is the first one that I made. Yeah. So here is that picture of the first one. Okay, so that is the first one I made. That one has a red border, all scrappy colors except for the red border that tied it together. The second one I made had a green border, and so for this project, this is the color that I picked out to use as the border, is this blue. I have this big jumbo skein. I believe it's a color that is discontinued, so I don't know if I would find more of this, so I think that's the project I want to use it for. I have so much, it's not going to use all of it, but I thought it would be a good color to use. This is Lime Brand Pound of Love, and the colorway is called Bluebell. So that is the color I'm going to be using to tie all the squares together. Okay, so they're granny squares and a granny rectangle, and it's all pieced together, kind of puzzle pieces. It's really fun to make. I really enjoy it, and that's why I'm going to be doing it again. So while I'm watching my Christmas movie, I'm going to be making squares and rectangles, and using up some of those tiny little scrap balls of yarn that I have. Okay, so that also I'm going to be doing. Another thing I'm going to be doing is I have a project. It was one of the choices in my Stitch Your Library, but it was one that did not get voted to be used as the Stitch Your Library, but I thought it's a real pretty Christmas project, and I thought it would be pretty to make. I think I'm going to make maybe 2 of them, or at least 2, because they'd be really pretty Christmas gifts. And it is the Rhiannon. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it right, but it is an ornament or sun catcher type thing, and I'm going to be making it in Christmas colors, just like the picture. So here is a picture of that project that I'm going to be making along with my Vlogmas. So here it is. Okay, so that is the other project that I'm going to be doing for Vlogmas. I just think that that is a really pretty ornament or thing to hang, whatever you want to call it. And I think it'd be cute to make a couple, at least a couple of them, one for myself and one to give as a gift, probably. If I like the way it's working up, I may make more, because I have the supplies for it. Let me show you that. I have, it's used crochet cotton thread, crochet number 10 thread, and so I have the green right here. I have the red. Of course, I've got this red right here. I'll finish this up, and then I made an order with Joann's, and I got some more of the red. This is Aunt Lydia's crochet thread, okay? And then, of course, I have a lot of crochet, the white, so I had that already. And then I had to get the yellow, or the golden yellow color that's in the middle of the poinsettia type flower thing. Anyway, so I had to get that. So there is the color I got, and I ordered both of these through Joann's. And Joann's, really, I ordered it Monday online for Cyber Monday. They had like, was it free shipping or 99-cent shipping? I think it was something like that. So I thought, oh, I'm going to order some stuff, and I needed to get this especially. And so while I ordered this, I thought, well, I better order some more red, because I was almost out of the red. So I got these 2, and I got them today. So today's Wednesday. So, you know, I just ordered it Monday. So I'm so surprised that it came so quickly. And also what I ordered, I just looked at some markdown sale items, and I got 2 fabric jelly rolls of some Christmas prints. Because they were marked down. And this is what I use to make the tote bags that I have been making. And thank you so much to those that purchased the bags that I showed last in Yarnjoy podcast episode. They sold out so quick. So also I have the rings already. Ooh, I'll hold up one. It's really crinkly. See? These are like 5-inch, I guess they're brass, gold, I don't know what they are. No, not gold, not real gold, but they're gold colored 5-inch diameter rings. I think I got them, It's really crinkly, but see, that's the package it came in, a set of 5. And I believe I got these on Amazon. Ordered them a long time ago, but specifically for this this item, this Rhiannon thing. So I'm hoping that'll work. I read the reviews. It said instead of a 4-inch hoop to get the 5-inch ones, easier to stretch the item onto it, and so that's what I got. So hit myself with it. So that's what I got to make them. Okay, so that's the supplies I have. Okay, so that is, I think, the main thing I'm going to be doing in Vlogmas. And so I think it's going to be fun. I hope you follow me along and watch all that I'm working on. Okay, so today is Vlogmas Day 1, so let's open the first package. Okay, so this is the package that Valerie sent me, see? And it's got all these little boxes in there that are numbered. Okay, so box number 1. Okay, let's see what is in box number 1. It's like, let's see what's behind door number 1, but it's box. Okay, so let me open it here. Ooh, goodies. So let's see what is in here. Ooh, so this is, what is this? It's a pin. Oh, cool. It's like a lapel pin, and I don't know if you can see. Let me open it. Got my scissors here. I'll open it. It is two balls of yarn and a crochet hook. So cute. Very crinkling. Okay, there. Okay, now let me see if I can hold it where you can see it. See it? It's 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. A little pin. Okay, so that was in box number 1. Oh, and some candy. Oh my goodness, my favorite. Reese's. Reese's Christmas trees. Oh, more chocolate. Ghirardelli chocolates. And a Tootsie Pop, which I love Tootsie Pops. So, that is in day 1. Thank you so much, Valerie. I love this pen. It's so cute. I love that. And it came from Gurumi Supply is the name of it, the company. It says Amigurumi Supplies. Cool. I've never heard of that, but it's gurumissupply.com. I'll put a link below in the description box to that. Okay, there it is. If it's focusing, I don't know if it's focusing, but anyway, I will put a link below in the description box for that. I love these little boxes. They are so cute. I'm going to try to hang on to these so then I can reuse them, because I love to reuse things. I could reuse them for next year. Okay, so that is that. There you go. And so, okay, so for my movie, I haven't told you the movie I'm going to watch. So for the movie, I'm going to start the Vlogmas off with The Homecoming, which is the original Homecoming, the Waltons movie. I really love that one. They recently had a remake of it. I watched it the other night, and it was good, but not as good as the first one. The first one is classic, and I love it. And so I'm going to be watching it. It is available to watch for free here on YouTube. And so I'm going to be watching that movie and start on my granny squares and rectangles for the blanket. Okay, so that is it for Vlogmas. Thanks so much, guys. Come back tomorrow. We'll do Vlogmas Day 2, and we will also be doing Yarnjoy podcast, a regular episode, show you what I've been working on. Talk to you later, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.